project. Got some tires, a coupon. Cycle Gear throwing $20 off, $75 purchase, so we went ahead and bought some tires for this Saturday. So we're going to strip it down. These are the split rims, so we're going to split them, put the new tire on, bolt them back together. So I'm going to get rid of all this linkage, and these have got to come off. It's just hard to tell it. I only have one shock absorber, so that's just conduit, electrical conduit that's smashed, bolted on there. We'll get the wheels off and start on putting the tires on. Well, I didn't show it getting pulled apart, but this is what we're shooting for. That's what you're going to start out with. All you do is take the nuts, bolts off, take a screwdriver, put it along the tire, push the tire off, split the rims, and then show you how to put it back together. Put some talcum powder in the tire, or you can put it on the tube. It doesn't really matter which one, as long as it's good and coated in there. Making a mess, but it'll be alright. You can pop your tube in there. And these probably should have been a new tube, but I'm cheap. They want an arm and leg for these tubes. I think they're gold or something, I don't know. Used to be able to buy these for a couple dollars. Now they want like $10 a piece, and I don't want to pay it. So I was going to get the old tube. The old tube wasn't leaking. So you'll find out that these hub holes got to be lined up. You know, these might line up, but your hub holes might not, so pay attention. Have to turn it around a couple times to get it right. And you just want to make sure you're not pinching the the tube in between the two halves. And make sure that tube is good and in there and not near the edge. Just want to start putting the nuts and bolts in, which I left. You have to take the sprocket off the hub in order to get it off the rim. So take the sprocket off first, and then it goes the other way. I scratched it already. Drop the washer off. And if I had some, I would have put some anti-seize on these, because they are two different metals. You got pod metal and you got the steel, the bolt, so they do kind of corrode a little bit. keep everything finger tight at first, because you'll have to move the different halves around to get these through. Just hand tighten them now. Good. Red's painted on that one. And the main gear has indentation. You put that face down. Brake in, chopping powder all over, and you're good to go. Throw them on the mic, and we'll see how she goes. Of course, you got to put air in it. That's what I'm gonna do next. Put the valve back in it. There she is, all back together. Got some plastics coming from China, so we're going to get those put on as soon as they arrive. But we got to get 2 shocks for the back. Dent in the gas tank here, we're going to have to pop out. I'll do that when we paint the tank.